Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find developer options. If you cannot find developer options in your device, no worries, it's quite a normal situation because developer options are the advanced mode, and you have to unlock it manually. So of course you can check our tutorial of how to enable it. I will quickly say how to do it. Simply enter about tablet, find the build number, keep tapping on it, and then you will unlock the developer options, but I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to enable them. So if we've got the developer options unlocked, simply tap on it, and here all we have to do is to scroll down to find the demo mode. Now let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got two different options. So first of all, we can enable the demo mode without actually showing it, just by tapping on this switcher. And as you can see, nothing happened, nothing changed, unless the focus of the camera. So the second option is to show the demo mode. So we have to tap on this switcher, and as you can see right now, we've got some differences on the status bar. So for example, we've got halted hour, which means that all the time will be displayed 11 o'clock. What's more, all of the icons are in their full state, and trust me, the battery for sure is not in 100% normally. And also all of the icons like connections and so on are in full. So basically this is how the demo mode works, and of course you can keep it turned on without showing it, so you can hide it just by tapping on this switcher. And as you can see, they got back to normal state. We have to wait a little bit sometimes for the battery. I mean, and the battery needs time to get back to its normal state, and as you can see here, we've got it. So the demo mode is still turned on. We can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher here. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.